Alright, welcome back for another video. This is number, I don't know, whatever, in the Restoring an AZTEC. We're going to clean up these rails, and this trick also works on the legs as well. Just take one of these Scotch pad attachments for a drill, and we're going to get this rust off and clean up the legs. Then we're going to attach these back on, but we're not going to use those spiral nails because those work themselves out. Those aren't very good. We're going to put screws in instead. This works on the lockdown bar, legs, and just all metal, really. It's a good way to clean it up. So I'll show you how the legs come out. This one I've done with the Scotch pad and the drill, and this one has not been done. Nice and clean. Alright, let's attach these rails. I'm going to put these screws instead of nails in these same holes, and if you need to, if the screw is loose, just put a little bit of wood glue on a toothpick and run it in. Break it off, and then it will make the screw hold. Here's the old nails that used to work themselves out. These are really no good. When you pull them out, grab the head with some good pliers, and you got to twist it like you would a screw to get it out. And this screw that we're going to replace it with has a very flat head. It's almost no different than the nail, which is nice. Very small Phillips slot, and it's stainless steel, so this is much better. A lot easier to take out, and you're not going to ruin your rails next time you do. I'm going to have to take this off again later because I do want to repaint the cabinet. It's just not in the cards right now. That's going to be quite a while later. Now there is one up under here that I can't get to, at least I don't think. Maybe I can at an angle. I can't put in this one on top unless I take off this upper. These rails are nice and clean now. Not perfect, but they look so much better than they did before. And we got some nice stainless steel screws in here that aren't popping out like the old nails were. Man, I'm happy with this. I think it's a big success. Sometime in the future we will fix this back glass. That's bothering me a lot. And then towards the very end of the project, I think we'll repaint the whole cabinet, and I'll reframe this whole top box. This wood's falling apart. It's no good. There's not much to do after that. It's really starting to look like it's cleaned up, but this is hideous. This doesn't work for us at all. So anyway, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer and get back to you guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.